Yeah, good morning, everyone. Last class we have completed main method related all points. Okay, I hope you all remember and practiced. Today we will try to understand system.out.println complete details. System.out.print, system.out.println, system.out.printf. So total there are three print statements are there. That topics we will understand. In main method, there is one small question is there. Let me complete it and I'll go to the next topic. Okay. Question is it good design defining main method in every class in project? Is it a good design defining main method in every class in project? No, it is a wrong design. No, it is a bad design. So should not write main method in every class in project. What the problem? Because if you define multiple main method classes, there will be a confusion from which class execution must start. Okay, so customer or client or developer will get a confusion from which class the main from which class the class execution should start. There is a confusion to the programmer. You take your home. In your home, if you have multiple main doors, okay, from which main door should come into your house, there's a confusion, na? And moreover, there is no security. Okay, right? So we should have only one main door, and inside the home you can have multiple individual doors. Is it clear to everyone? So defining multiple main methods, defining main method in every class is not a good idea. But there is a situation you need to define main method in multiple classes. When we need to define, listen, this is my project here. So, okay, this is my project. Now this project this project has multiple modules. This is the business logic where performing validations and calculations. This is the business logic. Now this business logic to access, we need one main method class. Okay. Now this project contain multiple modules, individual executable modules. And now this business logic, let's say this is a bank application. Now this bank application must access from what do you call clerk in the from the clerk in the bank. Okay, in the bank it should be accessed by clerk, and also it should be accessible by client or by customer from net banking. Okay, the same bank project must also accessible by customer from ATM. Also it must be accessible from customer online shopping. Now try to answer. This bank project contains several modules, individual executable modules. Then tell me, how many main method classes I must define in this project? One main method class or multiple main method classes? One main method class or multiple main method classes? Okay, we need to define multiple main method classes. All are catching my point? We don't define main method class in this bank project. In the bank class here main method. I want execute from here individual. In the net banking class, individual main method. In ATM class, individual main method. In online shopping, individual main method. Are you catching my point? If your project has a multiple individual modules to execute, then we have to develop multiple main method classes as a separate packs. Understand? This is the common accessible point. This is a common accessible, and this is one main method, this is another main method, ATM another main method class. Okay, that point I have mentioned. If a project contains multiple individual modules performing operations on common data, we must define main method class for each module separately. Okay, is it clear? So this is the example for this topic. Okay, if your project is not having individual executable modules, your project want to execute only as a single project, not separate modules are not there, then only one main method class. If your project contain multiple individual executable modules, okay, then you have to create separate main method classes. So this point yesterday I have not covered, so just I am covering that point. Hope it is clear. If interviewer asks a question, in a project, can I have multiple main method classes? Then what do you answer? Yes or no? Na? in project, for a single project, can I define multiple main method classes? Okay, what do you define? You must answer both. If the project want to execute as a single module, okay, as a normal module package, then we define only one main method class. If the project want to be, if the project access want to be distributed by multiple different modules, then you have to go for each module separate main method class, so that you try to explain clearly to interviewer. Okay, fine. So this is the basic idea about main method related all points. Okay, we have discussed, okay, so many points now. Hope you remember all points, right? Then in today class, let us try to understand system.out.println related points. System.out.println related all points. So don't feel that it's a interview questions. This is the main topic. You should know every point about system.out.println. And while discussing what are the possible questions they are asking, we are going to discuss them. Okay. So what is system.out.println? Why system.out.println? What are the other printing statements available in Java? Okay. Print, println, printf. Three statements are there. Okay. What is the difference between print, println? Okay. And next, what is the difference between print and printf? Okay. And next, how many print, comma, println and printf methods are available? Okay. And next, what are the rules we must follow? What are the rules we must follow in calling? What are the rules we must follow in calling print and println and printf methods? You must not call as you like. There are some rules. Okay, you must follow. Yeah, simple. These are the 7 questions. Okay. Next, let me also try to teach you this point. Can we? Okay, how can we redirect standard output to a file? It means, how can we print SOPLN message in a file? Okay. So if you run system.out.println, the message should display in file, not on console. Okay. So these are the 8 questions. Let us try to understand. Seems to be 8 questions only, but story is very big, Baba. Try to concentrate. Okay. Tell me, first you tell me yourself, what is system.out.println? Come on, what is system.out.println? Is it a method call? System.out.println, is it a method call? Come on. Is it a method call? Yes. Println is a method call. System.out is an object, okay? And println is a method call. Okay. Now, again repeating, what is system.out.println? It is a println is a predefined method. This is a method call statement. What is the use of system.out.println? It is used for displaying given a message or output or value on console, means monitor, the screen. Console means monitor screen, command prompt screen. So it is a predefined method. It is used for displaying some message on console. Okay. Like println, Do we have some more statements, some more print statements in Java? Yes. We have totally 3 print statements are available in Java. What are they? Print, println, and printf. Okay. Next. What is the difference between print and println method? What is the difference between printf method? Okay. Observe. If you carefully look at the statement difference between print and printf, look at that. Print and printf, carefully observe. Tell me, what is the difference are you seeing? Come on, you tell me. You know very well, right? Come on, you know very well. Come on, try. What is the difference between print and println? In academics, definitely you would learn. Come on, tell me. Come on, what the difference between print and println statements? Excellent. All people are telling print will display in the same line, println display in the next line. Excellent. Again, I'm asking question. What is the difference between print and println? Uh, come on. What is the difference between print and println? Print data in same line, println print data in next line. Oh, wonderful. Again, I'm asking same question. What is the difference between print and println? Don't answer whatever you know. Answer to the question. No, your success or your failure is depending on the way you are answering. Every student has a good sound knowledge, no doubt in that. But in the interview room, how you are answering is difference will be there. Okay, the impact will be there how you are answering to the interviewer. You must answer to the question, should not answer whatever you like in your academic final exam, question will be one and your answer is different. Okay, if you don't know answer for the question, you will write your own favorite hero movie na, like that. Whatever answer you know, don't answer. What interviewer expecting, you have to know. Okay, interviewer expecting answer you must give, then you will get job. Again, try to understand my question and answer. What is the difference between print and println? Come on. What is the difference between print and println? Come on. My question has answer, Rabuja. My question has answer. What is the difference between print and println? What is the difference between print and println? What is the difference between print and println? My question has answer. What is the difference between print and println? I'm stressing also. I'm stressing also. Find out. What is the difference between print and println? What is the difference between print and println? My question has answer. You are not concentrating. Ellen. What is the difference between print and println? Ellen is the difference. Sir, what are you talking, sir? Ellen is different, sir. Yeah, that is called observation skills. If you observe the small minute differences, a big things will be easily you will understand, and your mind maturity will come, subject maturity will come. Okay, your eyes and your brain will open like anything. Okay, difference between print and println is ln. You have to tell to interviewer starts with what? Yeah, the difference between print and println is ln. Okay, when you say ln and after telling ln, 1 second you pass, 1 or 2 seconds you pass, interviewer should get shocked. Ln, what are you talking about nonsense? Because interviewer expecting answer is different. No, when you say the shocked answers, then he will get concentration on your answers and he will listen to you. And even you are doing small mistakes also, he will ignore and give you job. So how you must answer to that question, difference between print and println? It is ln. Ln stands for new line. Okay, ln stands for new line. Listen. From where the new line came? New line came from /n. Okay, new line came from /n. What Sun Microsystem did, they have taken one big hammer and top slowly beating and down slowly beating and again slowly beating and down also slowly beating, and finally they made it as ln and attached to print. Look at that, ln, print ln. Okay, understand? Got clarity? How ln came into picture? Why ln? Okay, why ln? Ln came from /n. So print method background attaches /n to our message. Print method will print data as it is, whereas a println method attaches /n to our data and prints. Is it clear? Everyone understand? Right? /n, why ln? Ln stands for /n. /n is nothing but new line. Right? Now you answer now you give your answer. Okay, your answer is correct. I didn't say that your answer is wrong, but you are not answering to the question. So print and println difference is ln. Ln stands for new line. When you print any message by using print method, message is displayed and cursor places in the same line, cursor blinking in the same line, so that the next displaying message also displayed in the same line. Okay, if students are giving wrong answer, try to correct your answer. Print display in the same line, println display in the next line, wrong answer. Println will not display message in the next line. Println also will display message in the same line. Then where is the difference? Println method print current data in the same line and moves the cursor to the next line. Cursor is waiting in the next line, so that next coming message will display in the next line. Cursor move to the next line, next coming message display in the next line. So tell me, println displaying the next line or moving cursor to the next line? Moving cursor to the next line. So tell me, print method print data and places the cursor in the same line, so that next coming output will display in the same line. Next, println method will display data in the current line in which cursor is blinking and moves the cursor to the next line, so that in the next line the message will be displayed. So very important point, this ln property is applied on current displaying message or next message. It is applying on next message, not on current displaying message. Is it clear? Is it do you understand it point? All you people understand, right? Print method will not do any effect on any message. Println method ln property is not applied in a current message, it is applied on next message. Look at there, the method name is what? Ln printer, println print and then move the cursor to next line. It is not print next line, print in current line, move the cursor to next line. Excellent. So now tell me, are you ready to answer some questions? Okay, what is the output you will get on console? Can you ready to answer? Okay, I'm giving some test case SOP and statements. You try to answer what is the output. System.out.println double quotes A. Okay, system.out.println double quotes B. Totally how many lines displayed on console? What is the output and totally how many lines are there on console? You try to tell. Tell me, what is the output? How many lines will come? Totally 3 lines will come. First line, cursor, this is a console, right? On console, first system, cursor is waiting in the first line. System.out.println, display A here, and ln moves the cursor to the next line. Okay, then next line is coming, system.out.println. Now in the waiting place, B is displayed, and because of ln, cursor is moving to next line. So totally how many lines will be displayed on the console? 3 lines. Output is A, B in its different lines, and totally 3 lines will be there. Okay. Now I'm giving one more test case. Try to answer. System.out.println, double quotes A, system.out.print, double quotes B. Tell me. Now AB displayed in one line or 2 lines? AB displayed in one line or 2 lines? Now this is again console. This is our console. And tell me, on console, how many lines will come? 2 lines will come. Excellent, wonderful, marvelous, super, super. Okay. Now A is a display cursor currently waiting on the console at the first line. Then print method system.out.println display A and move the cursor to next line. Okay. Now B is displayed in the current line and cursor waiting where? In the same line. Totally how many lines are there? AB displayed in separate line and only 2 lines will be there. Okay, I will show you all these points in a program. Okay, the next system.out.println double quotes, sorry, system.out.print double quotes A and system.out.println double quotes B. This is very twist point. Tell me, what is the output and how many lines are displayed on console? What is the output and how many lines will come on console? Output is AB in 2 different lines or 1 line? AB will display in 2 different lines or 1 line? AB displayed in 1 line and number of lines will be 2. First cursor waiting here, SOP A is displayed here, and then cursor is waiting in the same line because print. Then system.out.println display B in the cursor waiting position B here and moves the cursor to next line. Hello, all you people catch my point? Last combination, system.out.print of double quotes A. Okay, next system.out.print of double quotes B. System.out.print of double quotes A, system.out.print of double quotes B. Okay, both I am displaying by using system.out.println. Below, what is the output? Console cursor is waiting here. Now cursor waiting place A is displayed. Because of print cursor waiting in the same line. Then control go to next line, system.out.println B. And now B is displayed in the cursor waiting position because of print cursor waiting in the same line. So how many lines will come? Output is AB in a single line and number of lines also will be 1 line only. Okay, hope you all enjoyed. All you people got clarity? Sir, Println also this much depth you teach us, sir. Anything we touch, you know, dabidi dibide, bale babu. So we will do complete R&D on the topic. Now, shall I go to next question? Now, shall we test all these points in system? Quickly, let us try to test all points in system. Open notepad. Class, difference between print and println. Yeah, Naveen Kumar. I am planning for that. Okay. So soon you are going to get everything. Very soon. Maybe end of January you will get the topic. Now look at their output. Clear screen. Java C. Difference between println demo or println whatever. And now compile successfully and execute. When I press enter, cursor is blinking here. Then first A displayed, ln B displayed, one more line gap will come. Look at that, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's what we have discussed, right? So first case, AB, that's same thing we discussed. So our output and JVM output is same. Now tell me now, are you able to think like a JVM now? Next question. Now I'm writing, second case is what? Print. Save it. Save it. Now, tell me, what output you decide? AB displayed in a different line, but only will get 2 lines. Now let me compile it and then execute. Look at there. Earlier output, we have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, there is a line gap. But observe, there is no line gap. Only 2 lines. A, B, and the print leaving the cursor in the same line. Okay. Next. Clear screen. And now I'm taking third case. Third case is what? Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me make all cases available so that you'll see all at a time. Compile it and execute. Next case, remove, save, compile it, execute. And next third case, I want to take ln down. So if you take ln down, AB displayed in the one line and number of lines will be 2. Compile, execute. Look at that. AB displayed in the same line. Number of lines are 2. Same thing we discussed. AB in the same line, number of lines are 2. Then next, both I am displaying print. Save it, come to command prompt, compile it, and then execute. Only one line will come. Look at there, only one line. Bujay, everyone understood? Println, and when to use what statement? Okay. Now tell me, I want to display all statements in a single line. I want to display all messages in single line. Then must use print. I want to display all outputs in a different lines. Then you must use println. I want to display combination. Okay. I want to display some messages in one line, some messages in a next line. Then I should use println combination. Okay, na? Fine. Now you people understand difference when you println. Now I want you develop one small project. You know, right? Once the topic completed, we are trying to understand test case programs. Hope you remember. Where is that? Programs, cut, paste. Let me make all the programs list at one place. Now come on. I want you to develop it. On main method, there is no entry questions, okay? On main method, there is no entry questions. I mean, there is no program or project, whatever. On each topic, we are developing one project, kind of small project, small program, okay? On main method, maybe I can create multiple main methods, okay? Let us try to develop that. Develop develop a project to show the usage of multiple main method classes. Usage of multiple main method classes. Okay. To understand this topic, you need a little more file accessing knowledge or database accessing knowledge. Okay. This topic I'll explain you in the coming classes. Okay. This program will explain the coming classes. Today I don't want to deviate. Let me complete SOPL. Now I'm going to the next. All right. Develop a program or project, whatever. Okay. I don't want to consider as a program. I want to consider as a project. Company projects will contain hundreds of classes. Our project contain one or two classes. Okay, project size is changing, but the way we are writing code is same. Okay, so develop a project. I want to always call the word as a project, so that your mind will be comfortable when you go to company. When company people are calling it as a project, you feel, okay, your project has 100 classes, my project has 2 classes. Sometimes my project has 1 class only. That's all. Any work is doing, that is a project, right? Now develop a project to display 5 statements in 3 lines. I want you to develop a project to display 5 statements. 5 statements must be there in your project, and it should be displayed in 3 lines. Okay, input pattern must be like this. Input. Okay, I want to write like this. HK Naresh IT. Okay, let me take shortcut. Okay, Naresh IT. Amir Pet, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, totally 5 statements I am giving as an input. Now these 5 statements, I want you display as, I want output you should write a program to display output as HK, Naresh IT, Amirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, what the question I given? Develop a project to display 5 statements in 3 lines. So these are the 5 statements. These 5 statements should display in 3 lines like this. Now write program. I'm giving 1 minute time. 1 minute more than enough to write code. Yeah, write code yourself. I know. Arey, Babu Buji, I didn't ask you to display output on console, okay? I didn't ask you to write a program. I didn't ask you to write a program to display output, okay? All people are writing program like this, I know, okay? What the question I given? Develop a program with 5 statements. Your program has 3 statements only. I didn't ask you to display output. I asked you to display input. I asked you to display input. Think. Your written program wrong. Chaitanya. Yeah, Srinivas. Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. People who are watching from YouTube live, you can also write program in the comment section and post. I'll check. Snapshot not required. Just you share the code. Only 4, 5, 6 lines or 7 lines total will come now. Many times I told you, non-IT background students are always, will be very fast understanding subject because they are having that much, actually fear and interest. This is what I expected you to develop. Look at there, is from ECE background, but still written correct code. Many times I told you, ECE background, non-IT background students are very fast understanding Java because they don't use their brain. They will only follow faculty. And they will only listen to the questions and answers to give. That's it. But IT background people, little bit danger. They know already Java, they know already C, they know already programming. And by combining all the points, they confuse and wrong programs they will develop. Okay. So congrats, Srinivas, wonderfully written code. Super. Now come to the story. What I told you, Nana, I didn't ask you to display output, Rabaya. All the people are writing program to display output. Program should be on input. When you run your program, output should come. You are writing program without reading question. What I told, display 5 statements. Display 5 statements. Okay. Chandal, where is 5 statements? You have written only 3 statements. I ask you, display 5 statements, right? So tell me now, what the point here? The program should contain 5 statements. Okay, let me open another notepad. And now here, class, print project, let's say. Print project. And now I'm writing public, static, void, main of string array, args, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside main method, what do you write? System.out.println of. Okay, how many print statements must be there? 5 print statements must be there. Okay, 5 print statements must be there. Then in that 5 print statements, you have to write 5 statements individually. HK, Naresh IT, Amirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, 5 statements must be there. Save it, copy, paste. And now I wanted to continue taking the name, our continuation. Project 6. Even the small program, I don't care. I'll consider as a project. And now, print project. My project has 1 class, Rabbi. So what? That's what my feeling. And now, go to command prompt. Clear screen, CD. Project 6. Java C, print project.java. Program compiled successfully and executed. Look at there, 5 statements are displayed. But I want 5 statements to display in what pattern? I want to display in this pattern. Then I should use combination, print, println combination. And now where I should write where I should use print, where I should write println. I told you ln property has impact on not current displaying message. It will work on next coming message. So you want to display NIT where based on that println you have to take to display HK. I want to display NIT in the next line or same line. I want to display NIT in the same line. HK must display with print. Println and HK after comma, space, comma, space. And then Amirpet I want to display in the next line. So NIT should display with LN. Next, Hyderabad I want to display in the next line, in the same line. Then Amirpet display by without using this one. Okay, Amirpet, comma. Okay, then finally Telangana I want to display in the next line. Now Hyderabad should display with LN. Finally, Telangana should display with a print LN or anything. Can be anything. It can be print or it can be println, no problem. Because after Telangana, there is no message. There is nothing is to display. So save it, go to command prompt. Now let's again compile it and then execute. Now we will get expected output. Look at that. HK, comma, NIT, Amirpet, comma, Hyderabad, Telangana. Hello, everyone got clarity? Yeah? So this is what I ask you to develop. Next time, try to think what I am asking. So don't try to get this output. Don't display output. Work on input to get output. That's what the target. Okay. Now, I want you write this one again. Okay, come on. Rewrite above program. YouTube live people. All you understand? YouTube live people, I am also watching your comments. So if you have any questions, please ask. Redevelop above project. Redevelop above project to display same output by using only SOP, system.out.print. Only by using system.out.print. Redevelop above project to display same output. I want same output with these 5 statements. 5 statements, same output, but by using only SOP. Try to develop. Simple program, no? Copy, paste, print project 2. I want to call it as 2.java. Then I want to display all these messages by using only print should be used. Save it, go to command prompt, clear screen, Java C, print project 2, compile and execute. What happened? All messages are displaying in single line. All messages are displaying in single line. But I want to display in separate lines. And then tell me, how can I display? I want to display Amirpet in the next line. Do you remember? I should write here /n. If you want to move control to the next line, what I should use? /n. Next, println of Hyderabad. I must move to next line, so /n. Save it. Go to command prompt. Now compile it. Compile and then execute. So look at there, we are getting same output now. Earlier with println combination, whatever output you got, now with print also same output we got. Then what I did, after NIT, the next messages I want to go to next line. So /n attached here. That's it. So from this statement, I want you get clarity. What is the difference between print and println? Okay, what is the difference between print and println? Print and println has the same logic, printing message in the current line. But println has additional one more line that is attaching to the given message slash. So print to println difference is just attaching slash n. Can I write like this? Can I confirm? Can I feel it like this? System dot out dot println of double quotes hk. The meaning is, this statement implicitly meaning is system dot out dot print of double quotes hk. It is implicitly attached with what? Slash n. That's it. So println and print both are same. Println has additional attachment of slash n. That's all. Hope got clarity? NareshIT. This awareness is very important to you. Then you must ask me question, sir, why Sun Microsystem has given two methods, print to println, sir? When I can write slash n, why println additionally given? Do you remember Java? One of the features is a simple. Java is a simple programming language. Very, very, very simple programming language. Array, this line is easy to read for you, or this line is easy to read for you. Which line is easy? First line or second line? First line is not easy to read, right? I mean, second line is not easy to read. We have some additional slash n. You know, if you take C language is having lot of special characters. Ampersand, hash, angular bracket, that, this, oh my God. Lot of special characters are there that makes C language more complex, okay? Very complex programming language because of special characters. Java people has observed, array, we don't want to make our language complex. Let me hide maximum special characters from programmer. Let me write everything inside. Let me make Java as a simple English like paragraph. Simple English like paragraph. Okay. Look at the previous program and this program. Which one is comfortable for us to read? Just you feel it. Okay, it's a very important, you must feel. I told you in the beginning days, array, Java is the fun to learn. You know, by the end of course completed, when you develop a big project, you will not feel it is a program, you will feel it is a simple what you call a English paragraph, like you will feel, right? Look at here, this program is readability is more because there are no special characters, but this program readability is less because of the special characters. If you take any outside layman who don't know anything Java, he can easily understand this program, but he cannot understand this program because of slash and all. Okay, so Java people trying to hide all the special characters from us and taking care of them by themselves. So that is where println came into picture. Then try to answer, Sun Microsystem trying to just handle slash na, just a small character slash na, but they are handling by they themselves. Then big tasks also already they handle for us. So tell me, Java is simple to learn, is tough to learn? Java is easy to read, tough to learn? Very, very easy to use and develop projects. Okay, only thing you should believe it, that's all. Okay, fine. Hope you all got clarity. Okay, this is the story about println. Okay, now tell me, I want to ask one question. I will ask you one question. Okay, this is the story about difference between println, main project related points. Some more questions are there, please answer. I'm writing something like this. Is it allowed or not? System dot out dot println. I'm giving 10. I'm giving 10. I'm trying to display 10. Is it allowed? Using print and using println. Okay, both by using println, I'm displaying 10. Is it allowed or not? Yes, allowed. Save it. Go to command prompt. Java C. Difference between println. I didn't save the file. Okay, look at there. Output I am getting 10, 10. Why I am getting 10, 10 in separate line? Because of ln, ln. Now I am taking here print ln. And then what happened? 10, 10 will come in a single line. Control 1, control 2. Okay. Right? Now the question, try to think. Using println, can we display only string? Will display only text? No, we can also display values also. What type of values? Your wish. Any type of values you can display. You can display any type of values. Okay, look at here. I'm writing 10.5, 10.5. Okay, floating point number also can display. Control 1 compile, control 2 execute. Look at that 10.5, 10.5 display. Can I display, can I display like characters, single quote A, single quote A, single quote A, characters can I display? Yes, we can also display characters also, no problem. Look at there, A, copy paste, tell me. System, okay, can I also display Boolean values true, false, true, false? Can I display true, false, Boolean value true, false? Compile and execute. Look at there, we are getting true, false also. That means using println statements, I can display all kinds of values are there in Java. Whatever the different types of values are available in Java, anything you can display. Is it clear to all? Now my question is, Babu, it is a method call, na? If you are calling a method, compiler software searching for method definition, right? Everyone should answer. Last points, we came to last points, very important points which are unknown. You don't find current discussion points anywhere in your materials or textbooks. Okay, current I am discussing points you don't find anywhere. So please concentrate and try to answer. Tell me, using print and println statements, I can display string, I can display integers, I can display floating point numbers, I can display characters, and I can display Boolean values also. That means, is println methods are single one method or are they multiple methods? Do you remember in earlier class and methods time discussion time, I have given you one statement, M1 of, then compiler searching for which parameter method, no parameter M1 method. Compiler searching for no parameter M1 method, right? And then when you write M1 of 5 below, compiler searching for int parameter M1 method. Do you remember? Come on, recollect. If I write double quotes, say compiler searching for string parameter M1 method. That means, do you remember? We have told something called array. This M1 method is not a single one parameter method. M1 method is what method? Overloaded method. Overloaded. Do you remember the word overloaded method? Okay, defining multiple methods with the same name with a different parameters, type or list or order is called what? Overloaded methods. Like how we have written M1 5 M1 of double quotes, say save, go to command prompt, compile it. If no parameter M1 method is not available, compiler throw error. Look at the 3 compile time errors we will get. What the compile time errors we are getting? Cannot find symbol method, no parameter M1. Cannot find symbol method M1 with int parameter. No, cannot find symbol method with string parameter. Are you following my point? So M1 method must define how many M1 methods should define 3 M1 methods. Like that. Can you please tell me? Like that. Print method, println methods are one method or overloaded methods are? Overloaded methods. How many are there? Guess. How many are there? 0 to n. 0 to n. 0 to n ante what? Unlimited number of inputs we need to pass. Just a counter, Rabbi. How many different inputs I am passing, those many overloaded methods will be there, Rabbi. Println of string, println of int, println of double, println of what? Char, println of boolean. If you wanted to see how many println methods are there, do some mistake, okay? false comma, true, something you write. Do some mistake so that compiler software will show us totally how many how many println methods are there. It will show. And now go and compile it. Compiler software will show you us. Will show us. Look at that. One error. What the error read? No suitable method found for println of boolean comma boolean. Now println of no parameter. Please notice, please observe carefully. Println of boolean, println of char, println of int, println of long. We have long type values, float type values, double type values, char array type values, string type values, and also we have object type values. Totally how many parameter methods are there? 10 overloaded print methods are there. Println 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10 overloaded methods are there. Did you notice println methods is showing with dot with what name, Buji? Look at there with what name? Print system class showing a print stream class showing a print stream class. It is not system class. Complete world. Maximum students are in a feeling that println print method available in system class. No. If these available in system class, in between why you are writing dot out? Directly we will call with the system dot println. So println method is available in out class. What is out class? Print stream. So println methods are available in which class? Print stream class. Println methods are available in print stream class. How many overloaded println methods we have? 10 overloaded println methods are available. Okay. Now I want to do mistake with the print method also. Save it. Aribuji, try to think. As many println methods are there, those many print methods also available na? Come on. What the difference between print and println implementation? Print method will display message and place the cursor in the same line. Println method display message and place the cursor in the next line. That means as many printlns are there, those many print methods also must be there. Just a difference is internally /n only. Right. Look at there. Now we have how many println methods? Come on. 10. How many print methods will be there? Come on. How many print methods will be there? How many print methods will be there? How many print methods will be there? 9. 9 only will be there, not 10. Look at here. No suitable method found for boolean comma boolean for this statement in print stream class. Look at there. Print method starts with a boolean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 print methods only available. What is the missing method? Println of no parameter method, okay, is not available. No parameter method is not available. Anybody can guess why we do not have no parameter print method? What the meaning of print ln? Print ln. Ln stands for what? New line. Print one empty line. What the meaning of print ln? Print one empty line. Tell me, if I take a print empty bracket, what should I print? Print. What I should print? Here I want to print one new line. Here what I should print? Okay, that's why there is no print empty method. So tell me, can I call print of no parameter method? No. Save it, clear screen, compile, compiler will throw error. Okay, no parameter print method is not available. Okay, then I'm commenting it. Next, tell me, can I write system.out.println? System.out.println empty println method? Yes, we can write. Then what is displayed? Empty line is displayed. One empty line is displayed. Look at there. One empty line. Everybody got clarity? Yeah. One empty line is displayed. Can I say this println statement is nothing but system.out.printf double quotes or single quotes /n. This println is nothing but print of double quotes /n. Are both same or not? Yes. Clear screen. Compile it. Compile successfully. Execute it. Executed successfully. Println one new line. Print of double quotes /n one new line. Okay, na? So this is the way you need to understand. So finally, can you please give me conclusion between print and println? Can you tell me? That's all. Completed about difference between print and println. Println. Tell me first point. Print, it is used for displaying message on console and placing cursor in the same line so that the next coming message is printed in the same line. It is used for, it is also used for displaying message on console, but it moves after printing message. It moves cursor to next line so that the next coming message will be printed in the next line. Second point, if we want to display all messages in single line, we must print all messages by using print method. If you want to display all messages in different lines, we must print all messages by using println, but at last we'll get one more empty line. Hope you remember it. You noticed already, we noticed already. Third point, we have 9 overloaded print methods for displaying all types of values and objects. Third point, we have 10 overloaded println methods for displaying all types of values and objects. Okay, na? Last important point, we don't have no param, print method. We have no param, println method. It displays empty line. Okay, and a very important rule, both print and println methods are single param methods. So we must pass only one argument. That's all, buddy. Okay, na? So these are the points related to print and println. Hope you all understood. Do you feel all these points are important to you? Knowing all these points are important. Hope you are, I'm not wasting your time, right? Any of you are feeling that I'm unnecessarily talking all this nonsense? Hope you are feeling these are important. Are very important, Rabab. Without knowing system.out.print, system.out.println, if you are every day using that print println statements, is how much bad it is, right? You know, in interview, when we were trying for the jobs, if the first question will come in the interview is tell something about main method. Second question is tell something about print println. Okay. So if you don't know these topics, it's very bad. Okay. So today I'm stopping session here. Today I'm stopping session here, and we will try to continue in tomorrow class. Okay, I have explained these points. Okay, difference between print println. Now tomorrow we'll try to complete difference between print printf. Okay, tell me how many print println and printf methods available? Print 9 methods, println 10 methods. Okay, and what the rules we must follow in calling print and println methods? For calling print println, we must pass only. To call print method, we must pass one argument. To call println, we can pass 0 or one argument. 0 or one argument. Okay, and tomorrow class is very important class. Tomorrow class you peaks enjoy, because tomorrow I'm going to explain the structure of system.out.println, and also I'm explaining the execution flow of system.out.println, and also very important point I'm teaching how to redirect file. Okay, tomorrow class little heavy class and very important class. Don't miss tomorrow class. Are you catching my point? So tomorrow also I'll give YouTube live, and please try to join YouTube live by 7 o'clock sharp. Okay, na? So we completed print and details. Tomorrow we'll complete printf, and then we'll discuss about remaining points. The internals. Tomorrow I'm going to talk internals of system.out.print, println and printf. Don't miss tomorrow class. Tomorrow class is very important class. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye.